on the A-rig, I've got one that's bigger. That's the one he went for, but that's also the bottom one. It's a 4-pounder. .23, 19.5 inches. It is November 14th and about 8:45 in the morning. Just caught our first fish. We've been here about 2 hours. It's 25 degrees out. It's probably up to maybe 30 right now. Cold. Everything's freezing up still, so it's not above freezing yet, but at least the sun's out. It's getting better. And we're just fishing the same lake we have been. Thought about trying a different lake and fish like that for the reason I'm here. So hopefully we can get a couple more. We tried the deep spinner bait, blade bait, and the A-rig is about the only thing we tried so far today. And broke off our deep spinner bait on a cast because of the ice. So got one more of those left. Probably tie that on, but we're gonna cruise around the lake shore and try this A-rig for a while. So hopefully we can get a couple more. Stay tuned. Lots of cold action. Alright, that was it. One fish. Man, good fish. One good fish. Four and a quarter. So, not bad. Spencer and Greg both tried this lake this week a couple times, and best they did was only one fish too, all around the same 3 or 4 pounders. So, it's just the way it is right now. We tried A-rig quite a bit. We tried spinner bait, blade baits, and chatter baits. That was about it. Rip and wrap. So, thanks for watching. Click subscribe. Have a good day.